Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare these Bob Evans original mashed potatoes. I'm going to tell you how to do it according to their directions, which always works out fine. However, I'm also going to tell you how you can make these a whole heck of a lot better. So we've got everything that we need assembled here. You are of course going to need your mashed potatoes. You're going to need a spoon or some sort of utensil to stir them up with. You're going to need a knife or eagle talon, bare hands, narwhal tusk, whatever you would like to use that is sharp. Those are the basic things that we need, and of course your microwave. Also, if you would like to jazz it up, I'm going to be using butter, sour cream, and some seasoning. So first things first, let's take off the cardboard from our package. Next, we are going to take our sharp instrument and just right in the middle, do a little 2-inch slit, and then we're going to pop that in the microwave for 4 minutes. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, it's been 4 minutes in the microwave. We are going to completely remove our film, not all the way, but most of the way off so that you can stir. Now, if you don't want to add anything extra in here, just stir these up and then proceed on with the rest of the directions. But for me, because we're jazzing this up, I'm going to right now add a little bit of butter while I'm stirring this up. So I'm just going to take about that much butter, measure with your heart, and then proceed to stir. Now, do your best to recover this. The package, it crinkles a little. It's all right, it'll be fine. Just do your best. Pop that back into the microwave for 2.5 to 3 minutes. I like to split the difference, 3 minutes. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, after another 3 minutes and a quick stir, those are done. If you wanted to stop here, you totally could, but if you want to join me on the jazzin' journey, here's what we're gonna do. Before we even bother to stir it, because why, go ahead and put on a dollop of daisy, measure with your heart, however much you think you need. We like a lot of sour cream. A little black pepper. This is already peppered, but we like a little bit extra. And the garlic Asiago seasoning. This also has salt in it, so you don't really need to extra salt. And again, measure with your heart. This stuff is real good. Now give that a quick stir. Taste as you go, make sure that it is seasoned to your liking. It does look a little loose right now, but trust the process, it will thicken up a little bit. We did add the butter and sour cream into it. Here we have the completed Bob Evans original with a twist, jazzed up mashed potatoes. If you guys would like to know how the originals of these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.